Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Let's get started trading session. Today I'm gonna show you a lot of useful stuff. We got $150 on the balance. We open position for the maximum deposit amount. As always, we trade on a 1 minute time frame. What concerns indicators? This is the ADX, zigzag, and of course the fractal. So we are gonna use them today. I have already got them prepared. All the currency pairs have been picked as well. And there is nothing more stopping us. Let's begin the trading session and start analyzing. We are interested in the highest payout rate. Let's open a long position here right away. Good trade entry. Upward dynamics takes place here. And this is a clear uptrend. Look at the ADX. The risk is crossing the zone, and the red moving average is hitting upwards. Correction shows us that, but while the upward dynamics, we are expecting to see the reversal of the moving average, and the ADX line is near the zone 20 now. I think we are not gonna see any unpredictable correction. We can also point out the support zone, and here is the updating of the local low according to the zigzag. Basically, the breakout is very likely to happen. Here we go, look at this green candle. It has a massive body, and we can be 100% sure that the position will end up in profit, guys. So we are fixing the profit. There is $277 on the balance after the first trade, and we are not gonna drag this out. Let's continue the trading session. So let's carry on analyzing. Find the next currency pair. Well, I wanna take a look at this one. We see this price dynamics, so let's open a short position here following the trend direction. I'll point out the workspace. There is a sideways trend if we look at the ADX. So we see the resistance level, we see the support zone. The ADX is somewhere around 26 zones. The green line rockets up, and we are gonna expect it to fall down, and the red moving average should go upwards, so the crossing is gonna happen. Let's also point out this resistance zone, updating of the local high according to the zigzag and fractal. That's why we are expecting to the continuation of the downward movement. So far, so good. Look at this massive body of the red candle, and there is several seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed in profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount. Let's carry on the trading session, find another currency pair. Let's take a look what we got here. Good correction to the downside, no time to lose. We open a long position. You can see the upward dynamics on the trend line. If we look at the ADX, there is rejecting of the moving average take place here. This correction indicates us that if we draw the trend line, then we have a good trade entry level to touch, or the support zone has happened. And basically, we open with the trend here, we call it a good correction, and here's the breakout. It's very like to happen here, and there is our position has been closed in profits. There are almost $1,000 on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's pick another currency pair. Let's pick another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. I see good trade entry for a short. We see that the updating of the local high took place here. Touch of the support zone. Really important zone, by the way. The price almost hits the price maximum. These candles also have a long shadow, and we assume that the price should continue going down if you look at this moving average for the ADX. And we understand that it's almost at the top. We are expecting it to go lower, and here is the reversal of the red moving average. Zigzag and fractal show us the updating of the local high. Basically, we have so many signals that the price should go up, often go down. And I'm not okay with this candle so far. If you look back here, the candles used to have large bodies. We can see the same picture here. However, our position is in a profit. It was correct trade entry. That's why we need a 1 minute time frame. Let's change the trade amount and refresh the page. And we can continue the trading session. Let's find the next currency pair. Let's take a look what we got here. There is a clear flat so far, but here is a great trading opportunity, guys. Let's open a long. I'll point out the workspace. The ADX shows us nothing specific. Theoretically, we understand that there is a franc flat on the currency pair. So we shouldn't really on the ADX here, and we should point out the touch of the support zone, and basically we should assume the zone as a potential pullback. That's why we open the long position here. So guys, so far so good. We are a little late here in theory. If we opened a little early, like here, it would be super safe. However, in this way, a random impulse candle can screw us up a little bit, and basically there is several seconds left before the closing, and another position has been closed with a profit. Again, we are doing good. What do you think, guys? I like the way things are going, so I'm expecting some feedback from you if you trade using these indicators. But we are not gonna stop here. Let's continue the trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's take a look what we got here. Whoa, look at this huge correction, guys. I wanna open 2 long positions here. I will point out the workspace. Look, we should point out the support zone. Actually, the price broke it down. In theory, the price could go off, going down to this level. But I'm talking a risk here. I think a small pullback is inevitable here. We see the updating on the zigzag, and if we look at the ATX, the green moving average is currently at the bottom, and I'm expecting to see the reversal. And our position should be closed in profit. We've caught a beautiful pullback. There are around 5 seconds left before the closing. And you can see that the candle has a huge body, very nice breakout, and we are fixing the profits. There are more than $4,000 on the balance, really decent results. But I don't want to stop on this. I want to multiply as a profit even more. Let's continue our trading session and find another currency pair. I think we should open 4 long position here. We see that our candle here has a long shadow, and basically there is a lot of long shadows which indicates that the price is going to go up. Let's also point out the support zone. The price touched it many times, and basically the price should move to the upside. That's my thinking. And theoretically, we understand that there was a good correction to the downside from this point, and we also can't really on the ADX now because here is the flat movement dominates. The ADX doesn't show us anything. The moving average is at the bottom here, low volatility, and we should look at the fractal and zigzag and take into consideration support and resistance zone. Meanwhile, our positions have been closed in profit. Not bad, guys. I think we should consolidate our profit. Let's refresh the page and open our final positions. There is no stopping here. Let's find the final currency pair. Let's analyze properly and open our position. We see the price is heading downwards right after the pullback. We are gonna see the updating on the zigzag. Here we also see the downward movement. And let's open our long position here. I think this is a good trade entry. Select the workspace. Let's take a look at the ADX right away. I want to bring to your attention the green moving average. We see that it's reversing to the upside. The ADX line is around the zone 25, which is also a bullish signal. Theoretically, the price is gonna go up. Here is a good correction to place, the updating on the fractal and zigzags. That's why we're expecting the continuation of the upward movement. I don't think that downward dynamics will go on. And there we go. Look at this beautiful breakout, guys. The price is heading up to this level, but actually we don't care. Basically, the position is in a profit. There are $14,000 on the balance. Quite good outcome, don't you think, guys? And this is where we stop for today. A really productive trading session. We started from $150. Let's withdraw the money. I'm gonna withdraw $14,000, keep this $15 on the balance, no big deal. Press the continue button, and our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.